so slightly. Armstrong Daly still work. Still over. A lot of the teams talked about doing qual sims later on. And the car we've been waiting on. Lots of people paying attention to Kyle Larson. He's bringing, I should say the team is bringing that number 17. As we ride along with Christian Lundgaard, to him yesterday. So proud. Gift shops down there. Shop number 13. It's right there in the Tower Terrace. So if you go behind there in the Tower Terrace, you can't miss it. He'll be signing for quite some time today. Awful proud and great to have him as our flagman here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Let's head.
For sure than where we were 12 months ago, but there's obviously still a job to be done. We got to put the rest of it together and find a little bit more. So the boys have done a great job, and now we'll put our heads down and go back to the garage and then find a little more speed. Well, we're fairly happy with the race car. Obviously, that can go any direction on any given day, but fairly happy there. So today we really been dedicated to the qual running because of the fact that who knows what tomorrow is going to have weather-wise. And so there's still a lot of work to be done, but I feel like we're in a much better spot.
All right, last question. Beautiful day. There's nothing like IMS on a day like today. Any message?
Just in front of him on your video boards. And of course we spoke with Stingray Rob. He has yet to turn laps today. Speaking with Alan Bestwick, who you will hear from after the noon hour today, he informed me that Kyle Larson and that team changed engines this morning. That's why we have not seen Kyle thus far. That Arrow McLaren team have been busy putting a fresh Chevrolet power plant into that car. Oh, lock it. Shot there, and Alexander Rossi to try to catch up to the three already working turn 4. Joseph.
Well,
to our first caution.
Wonderful timing there.
Practice.
Yikes. Lost a big time there. He's jumped. He's done for the day. May have caught the gearbox.
Had no chance of saving that car.
Behind the McLaren post. No more Linus Lundqvist for the day.
Car and okay.
she moves to the front of this group as they steam off into turn number 3. 14 car talking with Larry Ford. Indianapolis 500-mile race.
Wilbur slot. And in here. Oh yeah. The legendary maple bacon donut. $12 for that, huh? Still a heck of a lot better than the Speedway food. Founders Grounds. Boo. By-West bacon donut worth every penny. Indy 500 champion. Former.
His fastest was the 5th of them earlier. So in this run, a 2:16.59 and a 2:16.96. A terrific run in
right now in Indycar having
I had one.
I never tried to do that. Of course, you've been out of the trash can. Yeah, we didn't need to make this some money. That's one thing advantage if it rains tomorrow.
Qualifications simulations earlier, and we're out there looking to see if they can find some people to go play. He has been a good one, both here in Indianapolis and in this in his first year, he teamed up with Meyer Shank. Christian Woodward begins as we ride with Elio Castroneves. Works together with this team to sort out the 51 car and make it the best it can be. Connor Daly, 24, the pink and white machine, Elio Castroneves.
Ericsson into the attenuator.
Marcus Ericsson sitting at the pit entry after a crash off turn 4. You see him removing the steering wheel from the car and moving around. The AMR safety team is already there. The drivers on track being instructed by race control that they are not allowed to try to get onto the pit lane to keep circulating on the racetrack. Ericsson climbs from his car. Good to see. Marcus Ericsson is out of his car and walking away. Side tire just clipped that concrete apron at the very bottom of the racetrack, very similar to the Linus Lundqvist crash earlier over in turn number 2. And then this. Rosenqvist all the way to the bottom. Safety device at the end of the pit wall doing its job there. Another look, that's Castroneves, the first car to come upon Ericsson. It's too quickly, and now watch Rosenqvist here.
Yeah, that's going to be the backup.
Chasing the ball all the way to the coming back up on the speedway. And again, Marcus Ericsson climbing from that machine and walking away. Race control instructing the teams now that the AMR safety team has made a pathway for them to get to the pit lane, and you see the cars coming down pit road for the attention of their teams. This is Felix Rosenqvist's view of avoiding. So good to see Marcus climb from that machine, walk to the medical vehicle for the trip back in to visit medical.
RIP pit sign. Goes right in the back of the thing. Marcus Ericsson playing some bowling. That happened right. Fun fact, since Marcus did some bowling and broke that, he has to sign that one. Thanks to the IndyCar official over there for explaining it. Goes into a collection. That's some Vietnam flashbacks for him. There it is. Let's do a roll around since there's some, probably some sprinkles in the backstretch. We got Connor Daly, car number 24. We got the broken sign right there. Ryan Hunter-Ray, car number 23.
Marcus Ericsson for taking the time to speak to you.
Catherine Legg, car number 51. We got Nolan Siegel in the 18 today, not Jack Harvey. The other Dale Quinn car. Got Rasmussen in the 33. He's probably going to be slow. Then you got Ed. Go Ed. Big Ed fan. Got that. Very good for that.
hit drivers.
Renus VK got his hat from like 3 years ago. Car number 21, he might be in the top 12 for sure.
Scary crashes, but again, he's
Stingray Robin, number 41. I picked up a shirt of his. Gotta support Stingray Robin, man. At least favorite driver in the grid, ironically, same team of Ferrucci. Boo Ferrucci. Next to Ferrucci, got one of my favorite drivers, Takuma Sato, number 75. Hopefully for one last hurrah.
Tires for a hard-earned victory.
Late Hall group.
Firestone tires for driving Indy.
Number 30, Pietro Fittipaldi, the 5-hour energy car. That's
Pushing the limits
kind of like Dale Point.
and pulling it off.
That.
For turns 1 to 4.
Down. Pit lane. Got Graham Rainfall. Hopefully he can get a win sometime before he retires.
At Imperial
Christian
Supplies,
Lundgaard,
we're dedicated
who's
to
looked pretty
keeping
good
things moving by delivering
on the road
maintenance
course.
supplies into the
Not so much in the oval.
hardworking men and
Hopefully they don't get bumped in.
shop owners, mechanics, and facility maintenance
Augustine
personnel
Canapino,
rely on Imperial
I don't know,
for
have a hunch he might be getting bumped in.
trucks.
Roman Grosjean, the 77, getting his like last chance at the 35 of his career. You got the elephant in the room, Kyle Larson, doing a double this year. There's his car down there. Got Cal Mylock the 6th for this week only. And then at the bottom, Alexander Rossi. Go Rossi. Hi Callum. Bye Callum.
Lines up on the starter stand, so they get ready to go back to